Manjets, the Anunnaki, the royal bloodline. Terra Munzi, Nandri holiday. I was on vacation from talking a lot of things and being involved in Muzunja. In Zwaika. So when I came back, ndavula inbox yangu ye messenger, only to find out I had over 300 messages from concerned citizens, particularly my Zimbabweans. Now the issue is regarding Mchinda Anonzi Tagwire and him being moved into Central Committee. So I then started ringing most of these people. Some of them are very strong, key, respectable top ZANU-PF members. Vamwe MP, vamwe vari Parliament, vamwe vacho vatori very close kuna ED. And I asked one question. I said, but why are you ringing an ordinary citizen like myself? Mindura yandapuwa imwe yandishamisa yacho ndeyekuti apparently I happen to be one of those people that say things in a very truthful way. And ED himself knows about Manjets, the Anunnaki, the royal bloodline. The one and true descendant of the Anunnaki. We are the watchers of that nation. So here's the thing. I wish if people could listen. Here's the thing. %60 yevanhu ndafonerana navo ndikataura navo vanhu vakuru vari mugovernment, vari muparliament, vane zvinzvimbo. Even I think 2 of them vari muCentral Committee eMarare. I said to them, why are you still in support of ED and why musiri kumubvisa imi? Since imimi ndimimi mawo veteran achona, ndimimi muri kuziva zvinenge zvichiitika. Mindiro dzandoramba ndichipuwa dzinondishamisa. Hanzi izvo nevamwe vacho. We don't have a choice. 80% yevanhu vari mugovernment, vari muparliament, vari muZANU-PF machona, they don't even like ED, which is a surprise to me either. But chandityisa manje ka ndechekuti 5 of them said to me, by the time we go to Congress, General Chiwenga might not be with us. Avasi vanhu vanga vachiita Zoom meeting kuti vabvumirane kuti yeah, these are facts. These are things, particularly when someone starts to talk about the well-being of General Chiwenga. I had to call my holiday off because that's quite interesting. And most likely, by the time I turned up to Congress, Vachiwenga might not be there. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised by this kind of words, especially when they do come from people within the party itself. They say these things because they know things. They say these things because they know something. Chandongo guna kudzai, Wikno Chivai na Tagwire, they will never be the next leaders of that country. My leaders a party ya ED. My leaders a ZANU-PF ya ED. They will never be any part of the next coming government in Zimbabwe. Daku promise I chunu one. Zimbabwe, like it or not, one day very soon, someone will take over. Forcefully, with people liking it or not liking it, someone will take Zimbabwe. Zimbabwe aise kumba kumuna, aise kwa Mnangagwa, aise kwa Tagwire, aise kwa Chivai. Just understand this. Semuna dzoka ku holiday nasa ndisikuzotuka vanhu handisikuzoita sei nako ndikudze ichokwadi kuti 90% yevanhu vandataura navo nevari muZANU-PF havafariri ED, havafariri government iripo. Ndataura nevanhu vakuru, handisi kuzotaura mazita avo, havafariri government iripo. Ndazobvunzawo umwari very close, because ndinoshamisika nevamwe vanhu vanondicontacta, so very close kuna ED, very close kufambidzana. So indo zavanhu vakawanda kubva kuMidlands, Harare, Kwese, ndo zavanhu vakawanda Sterling, and lately a lot of them have been contacting me. Okay, and now I get surprised when I get some of these things, and I ask, no, but you seem to be in support of Zukutwane Mdaro. And no, I don't have a choice. I have a life, I have grandkids, I've got children. I don't have a choice. Not that I support him. The answer is I don't have a choice. Given the choice, umwatozoti given the choice inini ndinonomuviga kuiroseka ari mupenyu, because ndatoshamisika ona zvinhu. Gentlemen, this is your one and only man, Jeds. Munhu one anokuudzai sure, whether it's political, whether it's personal, whether ndezva baba Harare zvekuimba, ndokuudzai sure baba Harare akapera, akapedzwa negospel baba Harare. Indikutogadzirira kuita rimwe album rangu, so kunyange ichitaura zvepolitics, but tiriwo vanhu vaMwari, so tinotokomborerwa naMwari. Muchingokomplaina vakazoita so vakazodii, tichitokomborerwa naMwari. But inzwaika, inzwai ndikutaurire chinhu one. There is nothing as good as to know the amount of fractures within the ZANU-PF party that exist today. ZANU-PF yakafa na Mugabe. That one died with Robert Mugabe. But now I can say to you, gentlemen, do not be dismayed. Zvatiri kuona izvika izvi, hakuna imba inoita mafractures ikarega kuondomoka one day. Hazviti zinoondomoka chete. Changondinanya kundifadza ndechekuti vamwe vanhu vari padhuze vanofamba napresident vaya vapana vechidika. I don't have a choice. I have to do what it takes. I only have one person, different individuals. I don't have a choice. I have to do what it takes to survive. Do you like ED personally? No, I'm afraid. I'm very afraid. And these guys, they call from these different numbers that no one, they buy SIM cards. Ukaona munhu akutenga SIM card kungokufonera ipapo and then finish and throw it away. Oza kuti pakaipa. Muone zuva rakanaka. Ndini wenyu man, Jeds the Anunnaki, the royal descendant, aka your drone commander.